Franklin Park, Illinois is a Chicago area hotspot where you can see a great variety of trains all in one location. On September 7th, 2022, we are visiting Franklin Park watching the late morning action. Our first move of the day is an eastbound Union Pacific transfer running for the IHB out of Bensonville Yard. This train is pulling out of Canadian Pacific's former Milwaukee Road, Bensonville Yard. Bensonville Yard is a major hub of activity for Canadian Pacific in the Chicago area. After the transfer cleared, a Canadian Pacific freight with a Union Pacific GEVO leading pulls down for headroom. They are pulling right up to the Railfanning Park, which is home to Tower B12. B12 was moved to this location in 1997 after the tower was closed in 1996. While the CP was making moves, we shot an inbound Metra being pushed by an F-59PH arriving at Franklin Park. After this train cleared, the CP freight would finish its moves and shove back towards Bensonville Yard. A Metra outbound would arrive at Franklin Park next. This train is being led by MP36-3S number 401. Our final catch of the morning would be an inbound Metra. This train is being pushed by F59PH number 98. Once the inbound departed, traffic would slow down and we would leave Franklin Park for the day. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, do not forget to subscribe for future Chicago hotspot videos.